today has grilled Rhea Chakraborty. That's the big breaking news. Prime accused in Sushant case now has been grilled by India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai. He's gone ahead and cornered Rhea on charges of deleting Sushant's hard drives, on charges of taking over Sushant's finances, her messages to Mahesh Bhatt as well. Listen in to the slice of this explosive and exclusive conversation.
एक खबर जो आ रही है कि सिद्धार्थ पिटानी जो उनके हाउसमेट थे, उन्होंने सीबीआई को यह जानकारी दी है कि जून 8 तक, ये सीबीआई सोर्सेस के जरिए, कि आपने आईटी वाले को बुलाकर हार्ड ड्राइव डिलीट करा दिया था। सुशांत भी वहां प्रेजेंट था। आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? क्या था, क्या हुआ? कोई ऐसी हार्ड ड्राइव है सुशांत के घर में जिनको आपने डिलीट किया?
दिस इज अ कंप्लीट बेसलेस एलिगेशन। There is no hard drive that I am aware of. There is no person, कोई घर में आके कुछ नहीं हुआ है जब तक मैं थी। मेरे जाने के बाद अगर उनकी सिस्टर 8 से 13 जो वहां थी, उन्हें ये सारी बातें पता होंगी। अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, मेरे प्रेजेंस में ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो you would confront Siddharth Pitani on this?
Absolutely.
It's your word versus his.
I don't believe he would have said something like this. I believe कि ये फिर से एक कहानी रची जा रही है, जैसे कि रोज एक नई कहानी रची जाती है जो कंप्लीटली बेसलेस होती है।
क्योंकि उस 8 तारीख पर कई, आपने तो अपने डिटेल्स में आज हमें बताया है, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि आपने फाइनल डिसीजन उस दिन ले लिया था, नो टर्निंग बैक। ये आपने कहा है, एक मुझे लगता है आपके व्हाट्सएप में शायद भट्ट साहब के साथ। क्या उस दिन आपने निर्णय लिया था कि अब सुशांत डिप्रेशन में हो, लेकिन मैं अब यहां नहीं रह सकती?
मैंने
क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको वहां से निकाला था, घर से।
जी, आई वॉज डेफिनेटली वेरी अपसेट एंड हर्ट। मुझे काफी बुरा लग रहा था कि उन्होंने मुझे कॉल बैक नहीं किया, उन्होंने मुझे वापस नहीं बुलाया। क्या इज इट ओवर फॉर हिम? इतना ही था कि अब मैं बीमार हूं तो आप नहीं चाहते मुझे? तो नेचुरली अगर आपको कोई भी ऐसा बोले, आपको बुरा तो फील होगा, लेकिन ये जो आप रेफर कर रहे हैं वो शायद इस कॉन्वर्सेशन से उसका कोई लेना देना है नहीं।
एक कहीं ना कहीं आप पर यह एलिगेशन और इसी से होता है कि आपने, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, सुशांत को कंट्रोल कर रही थी और सब कुछ आप ही के जरिए हो रहा था। आपकी, उनकी स्टाफ, उनके पैसे, उनकी जिंदगी। जैसे आप एक साथ रहने लगी, आपने स्टाफ बदल दिया, उसके बाद सुशांत बदल गया या आप बदल गई, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं उनके परिवार को आपने कट ऑफ किया। आपने क्यों ये सब बदलाव किए? स्टाफ को बदला, एक तरह से सुशांत की जिंदगी में आपने एक तरह से कंप्लीट कंट्रोल करवाया।
ये
दिसंबर 2019 के बाद।
बहुत ही बेसलेस एलिगेशन है। सुशांत के जो स्टाफ है पिछले 1.5 साल में, और जो लोग उसके साथ रहते थे, सिद्धार्थ पिटानी, सिद्धार्थ पिटानी को मुझसे पहले से जानता था। जब मैं सुशांत के घर में आई तो सिद्धार्थ पिटानी ऑलरेडी सुशांत के साथ रहते थे। दूसरी मिरांडा जो उनके हाउस मैनेजर है, उनको सुशांत की बहन प्रियंका ने हायर किया सुशांत के लिए, और वो भी मेरे पहले थे।
तो सिद्धार्थ,
तीसरी उनके कुक केशव और उनके क्लीनर नीरज, इन सबको सुशांत, दीपेश को सुशांत पहले से जानते थे। मैं इन लोगों को जानती भी नहीं थी, सुशांत ने मुझे इन लोगों से मिलाया।
आपने इन स्टाफ वालों को हायर नहीं किया है?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
आप ये संदीप सिंह को जानती हैं, जिनका नाम बार बार उठ रहा है?
जी नहीं, ये
जो कहते हैं बड़े अच्छे दोस्त है सुशांत के।
तो कहाँ थे 1.5 साल तक? मैंने ना नाम सुना है उनका और ना कभी घर आए हैं। सुशांत के कॉल लॉग्स में भी आई गारंटी हूँ उनका कोई नाम नहीं होगा, कोई जिक्र नहीं होगा।
And this is just an excerpt of the entire conversation. The second expert that you're going to be seeing in just about a few moments from now. We're going to play that out for you, and the full interview you're going to be watching at 7 p.m. I have seen the whole interview, and it's 2020's most explosive interview. And stand by for 7 p.m. as we're bringing you that entire interview. Breaking news coming in. My colleague Sahil is now joining us live from Mumbai for the very latest. Sahil, what an explosive interview that was. Rhea Chakraborty breaking her silence first here with us on India Today. And all these conjectures and the allegations and everything people are talking about, the Chinese whispers that are going about, all of those, you get to hear it from the horse's mouth as to what her side of the story was for the first time ever, Sahil.
Absolutely, Chaiti. I mean, all the theories which has been floated against, people have been floating against Rhea Chakraborty, multiple cases by multiple agencies, all the agencies involved in this, be it Mumbai Police, be it CBI, be it Narcotics Control Bureau, be it Enforcement Directorate. All these agencies have started probe against him. The Mumbai Police have already interrogated her. Enforcement Directorate had interrogated her twice the full day. And now CBI and, of course, the NCB is also going to interrogate her. Multiple theories floated against her. The charges of drugs, the charges that she, separated Sushant Singh Rajput from her family, from his family. The charges that, there is a financial misappropriation of Sushant Singh Rajput's earnings, his fund. Did she live off his expenses? All the charges leveled against her, including the charges that she was roaming around in the morgue, the charges yesterday that CBI leaked to the media about...
all these staff members that has been alleged that, Rhea was the one who was controlling. She has hired all these. She says that they were already there.
Absolutely. That's what she has tried to clarify. I mean, all the charges which has been leveled against her, and by those people who have not been in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput at all, be it Ankita Lokhande, be it Sandeep Singh or various other people who have not been in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput. They had no idea what was happening in Sushant's life since last couple of years, and these are the people who have been leveling charges against Rhea Chakraborty, and on the basis of that, the CBI, the NCB and others have started interrogations. That is something which she has tried to clarify. Let me just make it very clear. She is right now accused in the case and she has her side of the story. And why we are putting it up is basically because there are multiple charges which has not been corroborated by any of the agencies at this point of time. ED has investigated her multiple times. ED has investigated her family, and despite that, she's still out of ED's clutches and she's going to face CBI soon. The Narcotics Control Bureau has already registered case against her. So basis of that, all the questions which were raised, we have tried to ask her all these questions. The grilling has happened from India Today. Before she will be grilled by CBI or Narcotics Control Bureau, and each and every question has been asked, whatever is there in the minds of people, the viewers who have been fed with a lot of theories till now. All these theories were asked to Rhea Chakraborty to ask her about what happened on 8th of June. What did she message Mahesh Bhatt, and how did she come to know?
And now that you're mentioning what she mentioned Mahesh Bhatt and what all these charges are, and how Rhea for the first time after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is responding to all these allegations and conjectures.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.